Today I'll show you how to make a nice clump-style bonsai tree with cheap material in just over a year. I rescued these Ficus Benjamina from a friend. As you can see, there are 3 trees in here. I tied them together with a string and made sure all the roots were buried when I repotted it into this bonsai pot. A little over a year later, I removed the string. As you can see here, the trees have already fused. I was pretty sure that the roots had already fused as well, but I wanted to see, so I had to get the tree out of the pot. I carefully used chopsticks here to get the soil removed, because if the trees hadn't fused, I would possibly break one off if I wasn't careful. I then cut long roots, but forgot to check the camera angle. I made sure to get as much of the black soil out of the tree's roots as I could. I then prepared the pot with mesh and wire and filled it up with soil. The soil I'm currently using is a mix of pumice and lava. I am then placing the tree on top and wiggle it into the soil. I then tied the tree into the pot, which didn't work the first time. That's why the wire looks like it's been bent before on the second try. Then I filled the rest of the pot with soil. I used my chopsticks to work the soil in. As you can see here, the fused roots make for a wider trunk already. Now that I was sure that the repotting hadn't affected the tree, I started styling. I started by removing dead aerial roots that the tree had sent out. Then I wired the multiple trunks and all the branches. Once all the trunks and major branches were wired, the tree looked like this. Then I started bending the branches. I went for a very natural styling here, kind of upwards and outwards, as if all the trunks and branches were competing to find a spot towards the light. In the end, the tree looked like this. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm David. This was Bonsai Fly. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.